And that legislation means from very beginning, from the beginning of the background of legislation, and then thinking process why this legislation has enacted, what were the problems and issues, challenges. Not only this, but what were the situation in the society, what was the civilized principles, and why this law has enacted, what kind of the provisions are under the law, whether this is a complete law, successful law, whether it is practically being applied in the society, the law is sufficient to solve the problem, and what is the mechanism, remedy, and in real sense this mechanism is successful. So many queries, as I have pointed out in the beginning, are there. Please go through that one at the time of the study of the legislation. It is not sufficient to express and to discuss with the student that this is the provision, that is the provision, this has written, and this is the spirit of the legislation. But it is essential that why this is there and why it is written in the form of these words. Why I have said that unless the context otherwise requires. What is the meaning of this word? If you will see under section, particular section, that is, please mute your that photo, please. Otherwise, you will get the disturbance. Therefore, these are the aspects of laws which says that the duty of LLM student is try to understand the law. As I have said that there is a definition clause. Words are alphabetically, total number of words, as I have expressed. When you will, I have seen such type of situation also, when you will go for the interview to get the job. If you will say, sir, I have the expertise in particular subject, the expert may ask that how many words are, what is the name of particular act, how many words are under the definition clause, and how these words are arranged by the legislature, what is the first word, what is the last word. Because why I am expressing, some expert already asked the question. I have faced this problem. Therefore, the understanding capacity of the LLM student is totally different from the LLB student, and it should be understood by the LLM student. I have said that the 20 words under the definition should be in your mind normally, so that a person who is sitting before you asking the question, and he will normally think that you have not only studied the particular law, but you have applied the अरे रुक गया यार ये नहीं वैसे ही रुक गया ये, स्टॉप वीडियो। स्टॉप वीडियो कर रहा है। हाँ बोलो, आई नहीं रहा। तो पंखा बड़ा हो गया। गड़बड़। फिरोज अंसारी, प्लीज स्विच ऑफ योर वीडियो। अब तो है इसके। As I have said that to develop the understanding capacity of law by the student of LLM, one is the purpose of this education. I have just cited that why the chapter 3 has been separately given by the legislature under section 3. If we will see, there are clauses and 2 explanations, and these clauses are from the A to D and 2 explanations. It means it was not possible for the legislature to define this domestic violence word under section 2 in the same way as the words has defined under particular section, that is the section 2. It is very wide definition, a comprehensive definition, a complete definition, and a definition which was required to control, prevent this type of the crime, which is called the domestic violence. It's a name selected by the legislature, domestic violence. Domestic violence is not any kind of subject under the Indian Penal Code, if we will see. It is not a subject or it is not a word under any other law. Violence word may be there in some enacted law, but domestic violence is not written. Cruelty word is defined, no doubt, under the Indian Constitution. And this is one of the ground under personal law for divorce and so on. But violence word is not defined anywhere. Therefore, this is a special kind of legislation apart from the public laws. It is not a public law, but it applies on the special class, just like a public law, just like a public law, but it is a special law. And now, if we will enter into the section 3, of course, I know that your maturity is enough to understand the spirit, intention, object, and the idea of legislature, not only by retaining the words, but by grasping, digesting all the